Welcome back. After a long time, as a continuation to our series of The Secret, I've received one question related to the difference between the final account as well as the cost report. It seems like most of the people similar. So they want to know the difference between the final account and cost report. When we speak about first cost report is a tool that is being used by the employer most of the time. Of course, the main contractor also can use to monitor their subcontractor as a client. Okay, so mostly being used by the client in order to control, forecast, as well as monitor the current project budget as well as cost. So every month, the engineer is going to prepare that report and give that to the employer. Based on that, the employer will make a decision what to do, how much money I have, and how much the money that I have spent, and how much I have, and many of the variation I have lined up. Because of that, how much money may incur. So how much money I'm going to spend for the project. That's what we call cost report. So it's a monitoring, forecasting, decision-making tool for the current execution of the project at the current scenario. However, when it comes, final account is just a document, commercial document, that's going to provide you an information forecasting at the end of the project how much money totally I may incur or I may pay to the contractor. That's what we call final account. Especially when it comes rolling final account, what you're going to do, you're going to prepare an interim certificate, and from that you are going to take all the agreed amount, values and everything, and you will prepare a similar to your final account. At the end that you are going to prepare a final account, you will prepare it now from the month of 3rd, 4th, 5th month, you will prepare it, and you are going to insert all the agreed amount between the parties, including the interim payment application or any variation or anything. You are going to insert them to make it as your final document. So to avoid any future, after 2 years, after completion of the project, the parties may come and argue, right? No, we did not agree for that. We agreed for this. We did not agree. They may argue. So before we forget everything, what we do at the time of processing the work from the first month, second month, third month, whatever the item that we agreed, any variation we agreed, any changes we agreed, interim payment we agreed, we're going to put all the amount of money in that document, and every month we're going to update it, and we're going to continue that until end. So that's a different one. So the cost report, that's a monitoring tool. In that one, you're going to provide many information, including the forecasted variation, how much anticipated money that we have, how much budget we have. That's a different one to forecast, monitor, as well as to take a decision by the client. So suddenly client identify that from the cost report, their total amounts going to overflow the budget. So overcome the budget, or maybe that's going to go more than the budget. So client suddenly take a decision, no, I'm not going to execute certain work, remove that work. He can take a decision. But final account, it's not a tool to be used for a decision taking. That's going to be a tool. So you're going to monitor and insert all the agreed amount of money, agreed items and everything in it to flow or to make your final account rolling throughout the month until end. So that's going to forecast you throughout the project at the end how much I'm going to pay to the contractor. Okay, this is the major difference. In a snapshot, I will say that one cost report, it's a forecasting, monitoring and decision-making tool, where your final rolling account, that's going to provide your commercial indication tool. That's a difference between that. Thank you.